Alright, there's been a update to what we're calling OpenGPT, the open source version of ChatGPT. You can find the link in the bio to the software package. Keep in mind this does not include your .bin file, which is your data source. The previous software package in my last video does have the .bin file, so just make sure you download that, save that .bin file for this to work. Alright, let's get started. So first we are going to install the file, download, save it, the link's in the bio, and then you're going to see it's most likely zipped. So you will want to unzip it to a folder. The most important part about this is that wherever you save it or wherever you unzip it, the .bin file, this file needs to be outside of that unzipped folder. So it needs to be one folder above or one layer above the actual application itself. Once you have all these files in that .bin file, you're just going to double click the batch file called run. And as we can see here, that batch file just does a npm run command and launches the app. You will then get a UI interface that looks like this. This is the whole update, is just putting a front end, giving a UI experience to the same tool. So as we can see, we can type anything. Click process. We're going to switch back to the terminal just to see that stuff is happening. And you can see it utilizing llama, large language, something model, something, I don't remember the acronym. And you can see we got an answer, and not a very good one, but again, part of it is one, your data source, and two, learning how to interact with your data source, aka asking the right questions. If you guys have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. I think we're going to do another video next Friday that kind of dives into how this works and how you can customize it to your own use cases. Thanks for watching. The link's in the bio.